Hello again, this is Rod and welcome back to Modelworks. In this video, we will bring an old model back to life. So before we proceed, we would like you to know that Modelworks can fabricate any die-cast models into your own liking and handcraft wooden or fiberglass aircraft, vehicles, or ships in any size that you prefer. We have here a 1:18 1951 Volkswagen Beetle. As you can see, it is in a rough condition, and we will turn this into a 1957 Volkswagen Beetle with a custom black paint finish and a custom interior details as well as the exterior details. After we disassemble the car, we can immediately start on sanding the exterior body of the Volkswagen so that we can clean and sand the rusts and bumps to give us a smooth texture. Moving on to the next step, our artist is now applying a primer so that the first layer of the base coat can stick to the surface and prevent it from cracking. We are also doing this to see if there's still remaining bumps and holes so that we can put a body filler on those parts. After the parts dried up, we can now spray the first layer of black base coat . Then check the parts that needs more sanding, then apply another layer of black paint until we get the texture that we want. Let's go now to the interior details. As you can see, we made a custom interior details to match the photos that we have. The seats were made from vinyl tiles that was layered and shaped into its proper form. We also made the custom bumpers for the car. Then we painted the interior details as well as the other details like these parts of the rims. At last, we can now reassemble the car to see the final product and check if it needs more details like these windshield wipers, because we changed the old windows that has wipers, so we made a new one. That's the end of the process. Let's check the final model. Here's our output. As you can see, we also made a custom base that was carved from wood with a matte black finish. And let's check the interior details. Wait, how can I open this? Well, obviously you should use the door handle. And the other one. Check the new dashboard as well as these new seats, new acrylic windows, new set of rims, a custom plate number, and new side mirrors as well. Just look how majestic this newly fabricated 1957 Volkswagen Beetle with the glossy black finish. That is the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed another episode of Modelworks scale model building process. So make sure you're subscribed for the next uploads. Like and share this video. Comment what you want to see next. And until then, this is Rod. If you can think it, we can build it. Modelworks Direct.
Looking for the ultimate gift for a pilot, business executive, or aviation enthusiast? But you're frustrated where to look for? Don't worry, Modelworks got your back. We have custom scale models that are great for birthdays, retirements, occasions, or even promotions and trade show events. What? Remember, these are custom made, so it can be a military aircraft from his fleet, her favorite commercial airplane, or his private jet. Dial 1-844-8 models or visit www.modelworksdirect.com for inquiries.